Namaste. Welcome to my channel. I am your motivating storyteller Sharda Chandrasekharan. How are you all? Good morning. Like this fan in my hand. Like the pendulum in the clock which goes to and fro. Like the monkeys in the jungle jumping from one branch to another. Like the waves in the sea up and down. In the same way, if our mind too becomes wavering, no decision can be formed. In fact, without any solid decision, we won't be in a position to come up in our life, isn't it? If the mind is not controlled at the same time, we won't have a successful and steady life. The wavering mind will lead us to a wavery life with no practicability. And the same case will happen as it happened with the moon, who wanted to have a cloak for herself. It so happened that one day, it was during her teen age, she heard a poet singing to his lover. चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो. Listening to this music, she gets overwhelmed, thinking, being in a teenage, she started thinking that the song was for her and about her. So she felt, oh, such a sweet song. This poet is describing me. Why not I stitch or ask my mother to get a cloak for me? So she tells her mother what her desire, and her mother too says, fine, I'll get a tailor to stitch a dress for you. So this happens, and the moon's mother, she starts looking for a tailor who can stitch a beautiful dress for her daughter. But unfortunately, her efforts fail. No tailor is ready to stitch a dress for her daughter. So she comes very sad to her home. Now this young moon, she asks her mother, Mama, have you got my dress stitched? And her mother says, no, I have not got yet any tailor. I don't know how am I going to do that. So this girl becoming restless, why you didn't stitch a dress for me? Or why don't you try? Please stitch a dress for me. I want to get dressed myself. So Mama had to tell her the truth, that my child, I have miserably failed because each and every tailor told me the same thing. Now this girl is anxious, the moon. She says, why Mama? Why no one is ready to stitch a garment for me? And Mama says, look my dear child, during new moon day, from the third day you start growing up, until the full moon you grow up so big. Then after becoming a full moon, you start waning, and then back to pavilion you go to zero size. So no one is in a position to take the proper measurement. Either the habit has to be changed, or we have to forego the desire. This applies with everyone. So here the moon is a metamorphic representing our mind. If our mind is wavering, we will reach nowhere. At the same time, if we control our mind and take a steady, practical decision at the appropriate time, we will reach our goal. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the story as well as the moral. If you really liked my story and the moral, please do subscribe and do comment. Have a great day.